Hi, my name is Paul Hawkshurst. I'm with Canon USA, and I'm here talking about a couple of our new small 4K cameras that we have. The first is the XC15. Now, this camera is the next in line of our XC10 series, and the only really main difference between the XC10 and this camera is that we now have a included XLR port here. So now we can actually use full XLR audio on the XC15, which is something that a lot of people have really asked for. On top of that, it uses the same 1-inch sensor. It has the same built-in 24 to 240 lens. The autofocus has been improved slightly. And you can also now shoot in a full 24 hertz, 24 frame per second mode, which is really kind of only used for when you're shooting for digital to film transfers. Other than that, though, the cameras are very similar, and so if you have an XC10 already, you don't have to freak out about upgrading, unless, of course, you want the XLR audio. On the other side, we have the newly released 5D Mark IV. Now, the 5D Mark IV is the next in line of our popular 5D series. And you know the 5D Mark II it kind of really kicked off DSLR video in the world, and so now we've made the move to 4K with this one. The sensor of the 5D Mark IV is a 30 megapixel sensor, so it creates really great resolution stills. When you switch to 4K mode, it's going to crop in a little bit on you, and it's about a 1.6 times crop. So you gotta watch out for that. Other than that, you can shoot 4K up to 30 frames a second, or HD up to 1920 by 1080 up to 60 frames a second.